guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thank you very much for coming by to see this Christmas clearance haul that I got at Dollar General. But first I have two Christmas cards that came, and this one I've had for a while. This is from Deb, and she is Randomness with Deb on YouTube. And I love this card. It has little gnomes on it, because we call each other Nomi. Season's greetings. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, Nomi. So cute. She put little stickers in there. Sending warm holiday wishes your way. Your friend, Deb. Well, thank you, Deb. And look at these little snowman stickers. So cute. I've been on a snowman kick lately. Thank you very much. And I will link her channel in the description box. And like her channel name, Randomness with Deb, you never know what she'll be doing on her channel. And I'll come visit you soon, Deb. There's been a lot going on here in the last few months. So thank you again. And this beautiful card is from Christine, and she is Kawaii Memo Love. And I will link her channel too. She's an awesome lady, an awesome crafter. Those bows on this tree are beautiful with the red foiling. And it says, with gratitude. I like the pink. And she sent me all these beautiful ephemera pieces in here. Wow. For everything you do at Christmas and all year, thank you. Wishing you a joyful and blessed holiday season. Thank you, Christine. I wish you the same. Thank you. And thank you for all these ephemera pieces. You'll have to know what collection. Let me know what collection these are from, because they're really cute. And some of them have gold foiling. So we have some holly berries and presents here. Candy. A little bulb. Let me move this over so you guys can see. These are flowers. Wow. A snowflake. Mr. Nutcracker. Cute. There's a couple of these stars. Star snowflakes. Oh, look at the little deer. And we have some holly berries and leaves. A wreath. Here's some more holly. And more. And another candy. I feel like it's Christmas all over again. And I love it. These will come in so handy next year. Look at the little gingerbread. And then we have this pretty swag with the ornaments. And a red truck. Cute. And a little more holly. Or mistletoe, that might be. And a little teeny red heart. So cute. Thank you very much, Christine. I appreciate it. So I have those safely put away. Thank you both. So when I went to Dollar General, it was on Saturday. And I also had my $5 coupon off of this order here. So I'll start off with the clearance. And I got more of these gold sequins, which are being discontinued if you didn't know. And but they had no silver. If anybody has a pack of silver, or you see one at your store, if you want to trade a pack of gold, I'd be happy to trade with you. So these were 75 cents. And these doll pins were on clearance, and these were $1 from Crafter's Closet. Let's see. Oh, this was also on clearance. These are 2 Mickey stickers, and these were 75 cents. And I don't usually get Mickey things, but if I see something that's a good price, I will grab it to send to other people that do like Mickey. I don't dislike Mickey. I just don't craft with Mickey. Alright, so the Christmas candy was, some of it was half price. So I got these spoons, and this one is broken, but that's okay. These are going up in my coffee cabinet, and I might share one with my daughter too. So these were 50 cents. And like I said, some of it was half price, some of it wasn't. This was in the clearance, and it rang up as $1, this red curly ribbon. I don't know if somebody just misplaced it and it was regularly $1. I'm not sure. And they have a scanner in the store, but of course it's broken. And I found these blue these bows up at near the register, at one of the end things, and they only had one, and I wish they had more of these. They're so pretty, and I even like the cardboard that they're on. I wish that wasn't there, but you might be able to use this for ephemera and just cover that up after. I love them. Oh, so those rang up at $1. So, like I said, everything Christmas was marked down. Let me do these boxes because they're in my way before everything tips over here. Alright, so this Merry Christmas box was 70% off. Now, like I said, they may go down on some of this stuff, but the way people were grabbing stuff in that aisle on Saturday, I wasn't taking a chance. So this was 90 cents, marked down from $3. So that's a really pretty one. And I'll save these to send swaps in, or even for my own storage. So I had a bigger version of this, and I did use it in a swap. And this was $3 and rang up at 90 cents. And I think it has snowflakes inside. And it just closes like this. It doesn't have like a magnetic closure or a Velcro closure, but this one does, I think. So this is the red truck, a green bow, snowflakes inside. And this one was $1.20, marked down from $4. And this bigger one that says Joy is a red bow, a Velcro closure, snowflakes inside. So this one was, I think this was $5. Yeah, $5, and it was $1.50. Alright, now I can get those put away. Oh, one more. So I may save this for, don't you dare fall behind there, Mr. Bose. This one, I thought maybe I could use this for Valentine's Day. It has a couple of scuffs on it that I might be able to cover up. And this part of the bow was mangled, and I've got it almost straightened out. But these are just little round balls. It's just white, yeah, but it was only 60 cents, so I decided to get it, and it was originally $2. Alright. So these Christmas card sets were $5, and you get 8 cards and 8 envelopes, and so these were $1.50, and then I liked these two because they had other sets, but I didn't like them. I especially like this snowman because his snow is all textured. They're beautiful cards, and his hat. And so these are for next year. And this set of ribbon was $5. So you get this gingerbread with the trees and candy. The trees look like cookies. And that has the wire in the sides, but you can take that out. And this red tinsel trim, and then this one with, I think, has wire also. And even this one might have wire. This one is just all candy. It's hard to tell with their writing all over everything. And then this one is a glittery red, like a braided one. So I could probably use these two right away for Valentine's. I'm going to take those out. And the last Christmas thing were these two cupcake ornaments. And these were only $1 to begin with. And they were 30 cents. So I can use these probably to send someone for their birthday, or I can use them for Valentine's Day, or save them for next year for Christmas, because they're really pretty. They look like they're made out of glass, but they're not. So thank you everyone for coming to see this clearance haul. And I couldn't tell you what the total was, but 70% off, and then my $5 off coupon. And then I used another $5 off coupon on my Valentine's order. And I'll show you that in another video. So happy weekend to everyone. I'll see you next time with something new.